Assalamu rahmatullah. It's 13th of March today, and I've just come to the farm, and we're gonna be doing a few tasks. So I thought I'll bring you along. First we'll check the ginger. We got some plants from Research Institute up in Faisalabad. So we're gonna look into that, how they're doing. When we got the plants, we were told that they need to stay under a shade, some covering for heat purposes, because they do not like the cold nights. So we don't have the temperatures as warm as they would like. Hence, we've got a polythene sheet on them, and this is a hotbed. So we're hoping that that has done them good. Let's open it up and have a look. Unfortunately, they're not looking great. Perhaps the heat has been a bit too much for them. And the plants on this side are struggling badly, whereas the plant on the other side are better. So I'm gonna water them today and leave the sheet off from one side. Perhaps it's a bit too hot for them. Anyway, we'll do what we can, and then we see how they respond. So one of the jobs that I have to finish today is planting some banana pups. We visited a friend a few days back, so he gave us some of these dwarf variety banana pups. We already have these standard ones, which are tall ones. We did plant a couple of dwarf plants around this banana circle, but they didn't survive. So now I'll go ahead and plant these, because they've been sitting for a few days waiting for them to be planted. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant them on the sides of the circle. The top part is a bit rotten, so I'm going to take it off, and let's hope it brings fresh shoots from underneath. There are 3 left, so 2 of them I'm going to pot around the duck pond and 1 in a pot. So this is it as far as the bananas go.